Hi besties, it's a new vlog and I'm so excited to introduce this vlog. I decided to do something like this because I've not done this in a while and I want to connect with you guys. How are you doing? How are you feeling? So besties, we're now 800 subscribers. Remember the last time I talked about this, we're like around almost 500 and now we're 800 subscribers, you guys. So if you are seeing this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Get me to 1000 this year. I'm so excited. It's a new week, it's a new vlog, and it's not really a new week. Today is Wednesday already, and yeah, it's Mr. BJ's birth week, and I'm so excited. Like, so today I'll be going out to just do some grocery runs. I'll be getting some things we don't have in the house. I'll also be shopping for his birthday, so I want to make some things for his birthday, and I'll be getting those too. And also I'll be checking on my plant guy because I have not heard from him in a while. I've been sending messages and I've not been able to reach him, so I'll be going to his place, whether it's there today, because I need some new plants. Baby needs some new plants. For my outfit, I'm wearing a Nigerian brand, a ready to wear brand in Nigeria, April 10th, and this is not an ad, but I love it. It's very comfortable. It has like a jean collar plus an Ankara like bottom, so the gown is Ankara but the collar is jean, and it's so girly and so cute. I love it. Yeah, my hair is from my brand So Luxury Hair. You can check me out on Instagram. And yeah, so whenever you come to Nigeria, you better check out my brand and also check out our ready to wear brands, because they are. Let's get on with our day today. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Wanna know what you live in me, boy. Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, away my almost feel. BJ's gift. I made this myself. I wrapped this myself. I'm so proud. It's currently evening and I'm going to be prepping the food for Mr. BJ's birthday tomorrow. I'm going to be making banana bread. He doesn't want cake, but he loves my banana bread. He loves my banana bread, so I'm going to be making that for him. That's going to be a surprise. He's not expecting it. And also, I'm going to be marinating the chicken, so I'll just put all the spices in the chicken and stuff. It's currently 8:45 right now. Let's make banana bread. You'll just be seeing clips of what I'm doing. Yeah. Remember I told you I went to make my hair? This is my hair. My favorite style in all the universe. I love this hairstyle. It makes it easy for me to wear my wigs, and I love me my wigs. It also protects my hair. So this is my length check. You guys see my growth. Don't play. I showed you my growth oil. I made that myself. So bananas. One chicken.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Yeah, birthday boy eating his tacos. In case you want your love, that's why I put it.
Hi, bestie. Hi, bestie. I'm always excited when I'm talking to you guys because you guys are the OGs, are my OGs. It's the night of Mr. BJ's birthday, and I'm ready to retire for the night because it's been a day. It's been a day. Oh, what fun I had this day. I had so much fun, and I am so happy that Mr. BJ was so happy today. Like, he had fun today, and I made a special dish and the regular dish I always make because he loves it. He loves jollof rice, so I always do jollof rice. This year I did a dish that was inspired by smoky pan on Instagram, and when I tell you, this food tasted chef's kiss, divine. We could not drop it. We just kept on eating, and guess what? I made only two. It was really nice. Shout out to Smoky Pan. Your recipe did amazing. You guys, this dress. Let's talk about the dress. This dress is pretty little thing from my sister. It was a gift from my sister, and thank you. I'm shouting out to my 800 subscribers. Yes, we are now 800, and I'm super excited. I'm so excited. We are almost at 1,000. See also, road to 1,000. I remember when I was saying road to 100. Now we are saying road to 1,000. So excited. So exciting. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your loved ones. Always be the best version of yourself. And I love you. Till I meet you next time. Bye, bestie. Mwah.